Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool design here, and pretty much what this is some products from the Dior brand. If you can see for the packaging for this one's actually pretty nice. I was expecting it to be like the lunar red packaging, but I guess because of the packaging of the product that I got inside, they require a bigger box. So instead they give me a bigger box and they give me like the Valentine's Day ribbon, which is pretty cool. So just to be a little bit closer, you guys can see what the ribbon looks like. It does look really nice. But first I'm going to open this up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So take out the ribbon first. Once you guys open up, the first thing inside they do give you guys the return label if you guys need to return it. And then underneath that we do have the packaging with the sticker on there. So let's open up. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So pretty much what I got this time is like a gift set option, which I'll show you in a second. Let me show you guys the freebie stuff that I got first with the code that I used. So start with this little baggie. If you guys do open up, inside they do provide you guys 2 of these freebie bottles. They use as a spray bottle when you guys are traveling or something, which is really small. Let me open up one of them to show you guys what it looks like, since both of them are the same. And by same, I mean like the same size, not the same like scent. So this is what the spray bottle looks like when you guys do get it. So it's really small for you guys to bring it along when you guys are traveling or something if you guys do want to. So that is the first thing that's included inside. Next inside we do have this one. If you guys do open up, this one is bigger than the other one. So for this one, I never tried it in any of my videos before. So I should open up and smell it to see what it smells like. So literally all you're gonna do is just tap this onto your wrist or your neck part to actually start using it. But if you guys do smell it, this one smells really good. It has a very nice floral scent on here with the rose that's on here as well. And I feel like you do get a little bit of that tea smell when you guys do smell it, just like what I mentioned. I feel like for this one to be unisex, but it's leaning more towards women if you guys do smell it. The last thing inside right here, we do have another one, the travel size option or spray bottle, which is perfume. If you guys open it, it's the same thing as the one I showed you guys before. And that's everything in this small little bag that's used when you guys are carrying stuff, maybe when you guys are traveling or something. Next thing that we do have inside is this makeup pouch with a CD word in front. And when you guys do feel it, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. Right here in the zipper, we do have the Dior word on there, just like the one I showed you guys before. So let's do open up. This is what the inside looks like. So you can see for this one is slightly different than the other one. Inside the bag, they do have a bunch of CD word inside, so that is notes from Christian Dior. I believe for the other one that I showed you guys before did not have a CD option on there, which is pretty cool. So whether if you guys want to use it to carry like a makeup stuff or anything else, how you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But say that for this one, for the zipper, it's actually pretty high quality. If you can see. Next thing inside right here, we do have 2 more miniature size options. One is the Lexter option and one is the Dior. I showed you guys the Sauvage one before for the Lexter option, but let's open both of them to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. And obviously, since it is the Lexter option, it's one of the most powerful one compared to any other one in terms of EDT, EDP, and also perfume option. So really cool how to do probably the sample option when you guys do purchase it. Next thing, let's open up this one. So right here is what the product looks like. So let's do open up. So same thing as the other one is like a tap on design for you guys to tap it onto your wrist and your neck area when you guys do use it. And when you guys do smell it, it's literally the same exact thing that I showed you guys before when I reviewed one of the products that was a gift that was sent to me when I reached like I think gold. So really cool how they do probably the sample as well when I purchased it. And I just like the design of the bottle as well. It just looks so cool and cute. So those are all the freebie that's included for this product when I purchased it. Now I'm going to show you guys what the actual product is. So right here we do have the actual product. And underneath all that we do have the wrapping with the Dior word on there. So for this product, I've been waiting for quite some time for them to actually restock because it's been out of stock for a while. Let me open up and show you guys what it is. So I take this part out. If you can see the design of the packaging definitely looks very nice. And if you guys turn to the back, they do show you guys what's included inside. And they show you guys how to actually use it, which I'll show you in a second. But now let me open up and show you guys what the product looks like. So once you guys open up, this is what the product looks like inside. So we do have the EDP option right here, and then we do have the travel spray bottle. But when you see the design of the actual packaging looks very nice. Let me take out both of them to show you guys a better point of view of what the product looks like. So here we do have the travel spray bottle, which is very similar to the one I showed you guys before. But for this one, it's for this scent. The other one I showed you guys before was a different scent. So in the front right here, it does say Dior. Top part, it does say CD. And when you guys feel the materials on here, it does feel really high quality. But if you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So like I mentioned, it's a travel spray bottle for you to bring along when you're traveling, which is very convenient. But when you see for the top part right here, it does say CD. Here we do have the spray option. And for this bottle, it is refillable. So the way how you guys refill it is actually very easy. What you're gonna do is pull this part out, just like that. Once you guys do pull it out, that is what the inside looks like. And then for the bottom part right here is where you guys want to insert it on top, which I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. but this is what the inside looks like when you guys do take it out. So now I'm gonna take out the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So I'm see how it does say Sauvage, and it does tell you guys it's EDP. It's not the elixir, it's not the EDT, or it's not the perfume option. This one in particular is in between like the EDT and also the perfume option. So not too strong, but it's very light. And then bottom right here, it does say Dior. Top right here, you guys can see it does say CD for Christian Dior. And then pretty much same thing as the perfume or the elixir option. When you guys open up, the lid itself is magnetic. So it definitely looks and feels like a high quality bottle when you guys do get it, which is pretty cool. But once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So you can see for the top right here, it does have a spray option. And the top right here, it does say CD. So all you need to do is just spray a little bit onto your wrist or your neck when you guys do use it, just like the other one. Like I mentioned, for the travel size option, you do have the option to refill it. So the way how I do it by opening the top right here, you basically want to pull it out. So once you guys pull it out, if you see the top right there, they do give you guys the option to actually refill it. So literally all you need to do is just insert this inside right here to actually refill it. But because it's already full, we don't have to refill it. So really cool, I should give you guys the option to refill it if you guys do want to. Same thing for this bottle, if you guys want to refill it, feel free to do so. And when you guys do smell it, this one does smell really good. Like I mentioned, for the scent that's on here is like in between like the EDT and also the perfume option. So if you guys want something that smells good but not too strong, this is definitely a good option to go for, especially if you guys think the elixir option or the perfume option is too strong. For me personally, like I mentioned, I do prefer like the perfume option or elixir. The elixir option is definitely my favorite because it does have a really strong scent, like the woody scent and also like that lavender scent as well. So that is everything that's included in the package. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this set, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality gift set that give you guys like the EDP spray option and also like the travel spray option. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.